Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hack. Today we are going to see an instant and easy halwa recipe. For that, in a vessel I have added 3 cups of water. Now I am going to add 1 cup of brown sugar, the cup measured for water, 1 spoon of cardamom powder. Let's mix the water and the mixture well. Allow it to boil. If you see now, the water has started to boil. It's time to switch off the flame. And we are going to just filter the water so that we can avoid the small particles present in the brown sugar as well as the cardamom skin comes off. Keep the water aside. Now in a kadai, I am going to add 3/4 cup of ghee, the same measurement where we used to measure the cup of water. I am going to add 10 cashews and I'm going to fry it till the color changes. So as of now you can see that the color of the cashew has changed. Keep it aside. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of wheat flour to the hot ghee and I'm going to just roast it for 10 minutes till the color of the flour changes. It is very essential and it is very necessary to fry the flour so that the raw smell of the flour goes. And now after 10 minutes, if you can see, the color of the flour has changed well. It's time to add the water. Add the water gradually as it is very hot. Don't worry about the lumps, as we had fried the flour well. The lumps will not be formed. So we can gradually add the water and we can mix well. As soon as the water is added, you can see the flour gets thickened and the halwa will be ready in another 5 minutes. You can see the ghee has started to come. Just keep cooking. In a minute or two, our instant wheat flour halwa will be ready. So you can see now the halwa has started to leave the pan. Just keep on mixing to avoid burning. Now the halwa is entirely rolling around the pan. You can see to the sides of halwa the ghee has separated. Now it's time to add cashews, which I have fried and kept. Just mix the cashews well with the halwa. So now finally the halwa is ready. We can just give a good mix before switching off the flame. So this halwa can be prepared within 10 minutes. This will be very soft and very creamy while eating. Now I'm going to just give my final mix to the halwa. And you can see as already the ghee has separated well, it has come out. So the halwa is properly cooked here. So at this stage you can just switch off the flame. Now I'm going to transfer the halwa to a tin mold or a bowl. And I'm going to just allow it to cool so that it will be easy for us to prepare the pieces from halwa. Just even the top of the halwa well. Let it rest till the hotness of the halwa goes. Now see, the halwa is ready. We can make pieces out of our own interest. I'm just making into a cone. And here we go. Our easy, instant, simple halwa is ready. Please do try this recipe at home and give your feedbacks in the comment section. And please do subscribe to Nisha's Food Hack. Press the bell notification below for my future videos. Stay connected. Thanks for watching. Bye.